Hey everyone, my name is Colin, aka Editor Colin Online. I was ranked the #1 video editor on all of YT jobs in 2025. I've done 500,000,000 long form views for my clients. I make over $12,000 a month every single month, and I've retired my mom at the age of 21 with video editing by replacing her income. I've also worked with Skeppy, A Cookie God, Speedy Blocks, Nico, and many other famous creators. So that's a little bit about me and why you might want to listen to me. Now, it's a pretty well-known thing if you know who I am that I make over $12,000 a month every single month with video editing. And in this video, I wanted to kind of just explain to you guys how I sustain that, how I have not dipped below that amount once I've hit it, and active tips and tricks that I do to maintain this and also like still have somewhat of a work-life balance. Because from the outside looking in, you may think making $12,000 a month, I literally have not a single minute of free time, constantly editing all day, every day. And you know what? I'm gonna be honest, that's not true anymore. I used to live like this. I have an old vlog on this channel where you would literally watch me edit like 10 videos in a day. But since then, I've positioned myself smarter, started selling packages to clients, and done a whole lot more. And if you want to get specific help from me, guys, I do have a new private school community called Six Figure Editor, where every single day I answer every single question posted within the community. We also have a massive course on editing that goes over how to position yourself as a premium editor, how to charge more without clients saying no, how to build your portfolio, how to scale your personal brand to over 7,000 followers, as I have myself across multiple platforms, my exact outreach formula, soon to be weekly group calls, and many, many other things that are just daily sauce. As you guys can see here on screen, my students are absolutely crushing it and they love the community. I have lots of testimonials on the channel as well. But yeah, I just wanted to plug that because we are looking for more people to join and we want to create more six-figure editors because the people in here are absolutely crushing it. So by you watching this video, you're already going down the right path and trying to take in as much knowledge from me as possible. So I'm going to try to provide you guys with as much value, tips, and tricks as possible in this video. That being said, links in the description if you're interested, or my Twitter bio, depending what platform you're watching this on. But yeah, let's get on with the tips. So tip number 1 is figure out a value for yourself. So what I mean by a value for yourself is, me personally, I'm in a privileged position to do this and you aren't going to start there, but this is what you work towards. Is I have a specific cutoff number that if a client is offering me any less than this a month, no matter what the deliverables look like, even if it's easy, I don't take them on as a client. Now, you may be like, why wouldn't you take work if they're trying to give you work? Now, if you thought that, this is exactly why you're stuck right now. It's because of the word leverage. By not taking opportunities that don't fit me and my personal goals, I'm giving myself more leverage. I become the prize. If clients want to work with me, they have to fit my standards for myself and what I look for in a client, rather than me being desperate and trying to go after any client and any work and applying to every job, responding to every tweet about someone looking for an editor. I'm sure those of you watching this have been in that position, or maybe you're currently in that position, which if you are, you definitely need to hop into Six Figure Editor. Not to mention, it's cheaper than one video edit. For $50, you learn everything I've learned in my career that's made me over $150,000. So even if you get just one client from everything you learned in our community, you make a 25x return if the said client makes you $2,500 a month, or $2,500 over 2 months, 25x return. So yeah, that's one thing. The next thing is work-life balance. So work-life balance is super important to me. I think I put a lot more effort and time into building my actual brand than I do into trenching edits all day. And the way I was able to get to $12,000 a month is pretty simple. I work with multiple creators. I work with a handful of creators actually. And you might be like, well, how do you manage that? And the thing is, like I said, I have standards for the people I work with. And part of that standard is giving me work that is simple and can be worked on at the same time as other projects, or multiple projects a day. Me personally, I would much rather edit 6 videos a day for $70 each than one bigger video a day for $250. Do you see the math here? Even though it looks like I'm doing more videos, the work is easier, it takes the same amount of time, and in the end I'm making way more because I'm providing a lot more value to a lot more people. Take with this and do with this what you will, but this is the exact key that allowed me to scale up as an editor and work with clients that A, I enjoy working with, B, allow me to have work-life balance, and C, allow me to make 6 figures. I retired my mom at 21. She was a school teacher and I replaced her income. I started paying her the exact salary that she would make every month because she hated her job. She would come home so exhausted every day, and I'm just so proud of myself and honored that I was able to do that at the age of 21. And I want more of you to be able to feel that same kind of pride and accomplishment and achievement in your life. And some of that comes with taking action. If you feel like you're behind right now, or you're stuck as an editor, or you need extra guidance, I promise you that you do, because there are people out there who have done what you're trying to do, who live how you're trying to live, who have achieved what you're trying to achieve. And the crazy thing is you could just talk to them and get help from them. That most likely being me as well. Like I mentioned earlier, in my school community, I answer every single question every single day. You could ask literally any member of my community. They can vouch for this. And people are getting absolutely crazy results in there and loving the daily advice and feedback. So if you want to become the next six-figure editor, I highly recommend that you check out the school. The link's in the bio, the link's in my description, and comment down below any more video ideas / topics you would like to see covered, as I am uploading every single day. And if you're somewhat interested in editing and want to go full-time, make it your career, so you don't have to work a 9 to 5, don't have to go to college, things like that, I promise you, if you take action and actually implement everything I say in Six Figure Editor, you can literally hit six figures yourself. I am so confident in that, and the only thing that could possibly stop you and not allow you to hit six figures if you listen to everything I say is you not taking the action. But if you're a go-getter, if you're someone who actually takes action, someone who shows up every day, we want you in the community. We would love to have you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in tomorrow's upload.